guys, my name is Dinosaur, and welcome back to the channel. And it's been a month, so here's my next break-in crap video. This is supposed to be a helicopter. You use these things to make it fly around. I got it one Christmas, and it didn't work, and then I put it away and haven't used it since. And yeah, as you can see, it's aged pretty well. It's got like a little World War II design on it or something. I thought it would be the perfect piece of crap to break, because nobody is going to want a broken World War II toy helicopter or whatever. I don't know. Did they even use helicopters in World War II?
I think so.
I don't know. That piece of crap. Okay, see if we can't rip this piece of crap apart. Should be pretty weak after the years and the rain and being in that rusty shed. Oh, there we go. Right. Okay. Ready? We're gonna rip it. Oh, that was nowhere near as hard as I thought it would be.
Yeah, that was easier than I thought.
Oh, what do we have here? Batteries.
Batteries, go on.
Ugh.
Batteries.
Ugh. What kind of batteries are these? Biro? Who ever heard of Biro?
Who knows?
I never heard of that stupid piece of crap in my life. Just dump it in this bucket. Oh, in this bucket. Oh, it's stuck up there? I don't care. I don't give a crap.
Give me that!